Infor EAM online training. Learn from experts trainer by Proexcellency Solutions. Introduction to Infor EAM. What is Infor EAM? Infor EAM, Enterprise Asset Management, is a comprehensive software solution designed to help organizations manage and maintain their assets effectively. It provides tools and functionalities for asset tracking, work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling, inventory management, purchasing, and more. Importance and benefits of Infor EAM. Infor EAM offers several benefits to organizations, including improved asset performance and reliability, increased operational efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, enhanced regulatory compliance, better inventory control, and optimized resource utilization. It enables organizations to make data-driven decisions, streamline maintenance processes, and extend the lifespan of their assets. Overview of Infor EAM modules and features. Infor EAM consists of various modules and features that cater to different aspects of asset management. Some key modules include: Asset Management allows organizations to track and manage their assets throughout their life cycle. Work Order Management facilitates the creation, assignment, and tracking of work orders for maintenance activities. Preventive Maintenance helps in scheduling and managing routine maintenance tasks to prevent asset failures. Inventory Management enables organizations to track and manage their spare parts and inventory levels. Purchasing and Procurement streamlines the procurement process by managing purchase orders and vendor relationships. Reporting and Analytics provides insights and reports on asset performance, maintenance history, and key performance indicators. Getting started with Infor EAM online training. Setting up your training environment. This section covers the steps to set up a training environment for Infor EAM, including installing the software and configuring the necessary settings. Navigating the Infor EAM interface. It explains the various elements of the Infor EAM user interface, such as menus, toolbars, navigation panels, and search functionalities. Understanding user roles and permissions. Infor EAM supports role-based access control, allowing organizations to define user roles and permissions. This section covers the different user roles and their associated privileges. Basic functionality of Infor EAM. This section explores the core functionalities of Infor EAM that are essential for effective asset management. Asset Management and Tracking. Explains how to create and manage asset records, track asset information, and capture asset maintenance history. Work Order Management covers the process of creating, assigning, and completing work orders for maintenance activities. Preventive Maintenance Scheduling discusses how to set up preventive maintenance schedules based on time, usage, or condition monitoring. Inventory Management covers the management of spare parts inventory, including stock levels, reorder points, and replenishment. Purchasing and Procurement explores the procurement process, including creating purchase orders, managing vendors, and receiving goods. Reporting and Analytics demonstrates how to generate reports and leverage analytics to gain insights into asset performance, maintenance costs, and more. Advanced functionality of Infor EAM This section delves into advanced features and customization options available in Infor EAM. Configuring asset hierarchies covers the setup of hierarchical asset structures for effective asset management and reporting. Customizing work order templates explains how to customize work order templates to capture specific data fields and tailor the workflow to organizational requirements. Implementing condition-based maintenance discusses the utilization of condition monitoring technologies and data integration for proactive maintenance strategies. Integrating with other enterprise systems explores the integration capabilities of Infor EAM with other systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System. Mobile access and offline functionality covers the use of mobile devices for accessing and updating Infor EAM data, as well as the offline functionality for remote or disconnected environments. Infor EAM administration and configuration. This section focuses on the administrative tasks and configuration options within Infor EAM. User and role management explains how to create and manage user accounts, assign roles, and configure user permissions. Setting up security and access controls covers the configuration of security settings, password policies, and access controls to ensure data integrity and protect sensitive information. Configuring workflows and notifications demonstrates how to set up customized workflows and notifications to automate processes and keep stakeholders informed. Managing system settings and preferences explores the system-level configurations, such as defining custom fields, configuring system preferences, and managing data backups. Best practices for Infor EAM implementation. This section provides guidance on planning, implementing, and optimizing Infor EAM. Planning and preparing for implementation discusses the key considerations and steps involved in planning and preparing for a successful Infor EAM implementation, including defining goals, scoping the project, and identifying resource requirements. Data migration and system integration considerations covers best practices for migrating data from legacy systems and integrating Infor EAM with existing enterprise systems. Training end users and stakeholders highlights the importance of training and provides strategies for effectively training end users and stakeholders on Infor EAM usage. Change management strategies discusses change management principles and strategies to facilitate user adoption and overcome resistance during the implementation process. Troubleshooting and support for Infor EAM. This section focuses on troubleshooting common issues and accessing support resources for Infor EAM. Common issues and their solutions provides solutions to common challenges and errors encountered while using Infor EAM. Accessing help and support resources highlights the various support channels and resources available, such as knowledge bases, documentation, and technical support. Engaging with the Infor EAM community discusses the benefits of participating in the Infor EAM community, including forums, user groups, and conferences. Infor EAM certification and career opportunities. This section explores the certification programs and career opportunities related to Infor EAM. Overview of Infor EAM certification programs. Provides an overview of the certification programs offered by Infor EAM to validate skills and knowledge in using the software. Benefits of obtaining Infor EAM certification. Discusses the benefits of certification, such as enhanced career prospects, industry recognition, and increased expertise. Exploring job roles and career paths. Explores the different job roles and career paths available for professionals with Infor EAM expertise, such as EAM administrator, maintenance planner, or asset management consultant. Future trends and developments in Infor EAM. This section highlights the current and upcoming features, industry trends, and the role of Infor EAM in digital transformation. Current and upcoming features. Discusses the latest features and enhancements in the Infor EAM software, such as AI-driven maintenance, IoT integration, or predictive analytics. Industry trends and innovations. Explores emerging trends in asset management, such as the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, predictive maintenance, or asset performance management. Adapting to digital transformation in asset management. Discusses the role of Infor EAM in supporting organizations' digital transformation initiatives and leveraging new technologies for more efficient and effective asset management. Why should you choose Proexcellency for Infor EAM online training? Proexcellency is an excellent choice for Infor EAM online training for several reasons. Expertise and experience. Proexcellency has a team of experienced trainers who are well-versed in Infor EAM and its functionalities. They possess extensive knowledge and practical experience in implementing and using the software effectively. Comprehensive course content. Proexcellency's Infor EAM online training offers a well-structured curriculum that covers all the essential topics, from basic functionality to advanced features and administration. The course content is designed to provide a thorough understanding of Infor EAM and its application in real-world scenarios. Interactive learning experience. The training programs by Proexcellency are designed to provide an interactive and engaging learning experience. They incorporate a mix of theory, hands-on exercises, and practical examples to ensure active participation and effective understanding of the concepts. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers flexible learning options to suit individual preferences and schedules. They provide self-paced online courses that allow learners to study at their own pace and access the training material anytime, anywhere. Additionally, they also offer instructor-led virtual classroom training for a more interactive learning experience. Hands-on practice and real-life scenarios. Proexcellency's training programs focus on practical application by providing hands-on practice exercises and real-life scenarios. This approach helps learners develop practical skills and gain confidence in using Infor EAM effectively. Certification preparation. Proexcellency's training programs aim to prepare learners for Infor EAM certification exams. They provide comprehensive coverage of the topics included in the certification syllabus and offer guidance and resources to help learners succeed in their certification endeavors. Ongoing support and resources. Proexcellency offers continuous support to learners even after the completion of the training. They provide access to additional resources, forums, and communities where learners can interact with experts and peers to seek guidance and share knowledge. Customized training solutions. Proexcellency understands that different organizations may have specific training needs. Therefore, they offer customized training solutions tailored to the unique requirements of businesses, ensuring that the training aligns with their specific goals and objectives. Overall, Proexcellency's Infor EAM online training provides a comprehensive and flexible learning experience backed by industry expertise and practical application, making it a reliable choice for individuals and organizations seeking to enhance their proficiency in Infor EAM. Thank you for watching.